Okay, quick test. Do you actually remember the kanji from the last few weeks? 10 questions, 4 choices each. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What does this kanji mean? The answer is D. Ni, red, futa means 2. Question 2. Which of these kanji means gold? It's C. Kin, red, kane means gold. Question 3. What does this kanji mean? Correct answer A. D. Read D means exit. Question 4. Which of these kanji means 6? And it's B. Look, red mu means 6. Question 5. What does this kanji mean? The answer is B. Sta. Read sta means down. Question 6. Which of these kanji means book? The answer is B. Hon, red moto means book. Question 7. What does this kanji mean? It's C. Gaku. Read manabu means study. Question 8. Which of these kanji means sun or day? Correct answer. D. Ni. Red high means sun, day. Question 9. What does this kanji mean? And it's D. Go. Red itsu means 5. Question 10. Which of these kanji means woman? The answer is A. Onna. Red onna means woman. That's all 10. So how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. 10 out of 10 earns you bragging rights. There's a new kanji here every single day. So follow along and keep your streak alive.